and check out the damage. It's 68, well, it's 70 degrees here on this temp. What happened? It's still water. The container held the water. Oh gosh. Oh. Still muddy. I'm worried about the other side. I'm just gonna wait until I go over there and look. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Stretching. Looks good. Nothing's crazy yet. I'm gonna go over here. Not too bad. I thought it was gonna be way worse. See, everything's gonna. No, I'm not too worried about this area. Ooh, the onions are standing up. Good. This area is what I was worried about. Okay. Of course, something was digging in getting my seeds, like always. Look at every green bean is ticking. Dang it. I guess I need to get something that scares away rabbits or something. Look at the tulip. It's about to come up. I gotta cut some of these dead ones. Alright, look at the mud damage. I mean, the rain damage. Oh, God. Okay. Oh, my goodness. Well, the time is okay. Thank gosh, that's what I was worried about. I don't think I got to show what I did because I was busy and tired. And yeah, something got an onion. Already, they're already picking up my vegetables. Something's foraging everywhere in here. Dang it. There's a hole there, there's a hole there, there's a hole there. I'm not gonna have good luck with gardening. There's another hole there. Oh my god. Oh my god, no. What the heck? Dang it. Better stop eating my stuff. Dang it, they're eating the leaves already. Dang. My one leaf that came up on this vine. Oh my god, please survive. And the water flooded this area, so it covered everything in the mulch. Oh gosh, okay. It's pretty muddy, but it's okay. I got this little pathway now. It's nice, I like it. It helps me a lot to like not just be like stepping on my area of the gardening. So, something got that, something got that. But yeah, other than that, I gotta figure out if I want to move this like border closer because the water just hits right here. Please get away from me, bug. Do not land on me. Do not land on me. Okay. So, this is nice though, honestly. Because last year was a different story. I'm scared because hopefully it's lifted a little bit more. I still need to put more gravel just to kind of help with the rain. And so far it looks good. If I have more plants, hopefully they'll absorb any water that comes down from the rain. Yeah. Well, it's a nice, cool, chill day. Oh, my other time better still be there. I'm gonna be upset if it's gone. Okay, I put another time right here. This one is the lemon time. Let me smell it. Cause these be rabbit. Oh my gosh, that smells like a. It's kind of a different. It's not really like a sweet lemon. That one I should have. I don't know. This one's more like a citronella kind of smell. Uh oh. what happened here. Little pod. What's still up here? Let me see. Got knocked over probably with the wind and the rain. Let me see. Let me see if it's a... Honestly, it tastes kind of good. That tastes like a nut of some sort. Because I was worried because it was good when it was little. So I'm worried if the longer they last, then they won't. I don't know, I gotta research that some more before I eat a bit of that. So, okay. Oh my, when can I eat? No, can I eat anything from my garden this year, please? No. Yeah, let me see. I gotta dump this because it's gonna get that got water. I left these, I forgot, I guess. Just leave a little bit of water. I don't know what to do. I don't want them rotting. Water this area. I guess I'll let it be. Probably gonna rain some more. Yeah, I need to put these somewhere. Okay. I put a peony there. And hopefully things will survive. Oh my gosh, my other herbs. I forgot. Okay. Little strawberry plant has a flower. Okay. Kicking butt. Over here. This one's perking up again. Thank goodness, because it was about to die in the pot I put it in. This is a weed. Same as the other one, so it's growing everywhere. But it's growing. I'm gonna let it grow. Like anything green that's like not super poisonous, please grow. So yeah. And otherwise, I'm just gonna leave it a mess because you know these storms, they're gonna come and tear up everything anyway. But at least I have some areas now. I do like this area though. Like, it smells oniony because I just put these onions in. I like it. I'm not sure if this is a weed or if it's something because I know I put turnips here now. There's no way that's a. Is it? I'm not sure. So I think it is, but there's no way. Like, I'm just not used to things actually growing, so. Growing. How many tulips? Oh, look at that. What is that? I think it's my anemone. It looks like one. I thought that's what this was, so I'm like confused. What is this? That's totally different. What is that one? I saw some online that I'm like, darn, I think I want to get them. They're like this, but with a black thing right there. Like, this area is black. It's called like black something something. I'm like, oh, I kind of want those. I think I want those. Yeah. So I got 1 tulip, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 tulips, okay. I think that's how many I put down in here, so that's good. Oh, 13. Maybe there's, I think, yeah. And I got, a lot of this is some wildflower seeds that I put down. Hopefully they'll grow. I'm not sure. I have this little weed. I'm gonna let it grow. Like, it's cute. It grows in little berries. Oh, my dog is whining. Huh? She'll have to come. I thought she was outside already. Oops, I'm sorry. Dang it, I was hoping this would not happen to my hollyhock. This. It wasn't. It was totally fine. I have to pull this in. See that? Dang it. It's already attacking it. Dang it, it was doing that. Last here. To throw this in the throwaway pile. Part of it. I'm sorry, but no. I gotta get it before it gets too crazy, so. Dang it. It was doing so good. Dang it. Someone's getting to it. Let's see, where else? I mean, I'm sure it's not. I mean, I'm new at this, so. Yeah. But no, last season, I didn't do nothing with that stuff. And it was going wild a little bit. So I'm like, no. I'd rather cut it before something's going to keep attacking this thing. With that. I know it is, but. We'll see. It still grew flowers. Something is getting to it finally, though, because it was too luscious and gorgeous. And I need to go in here and clean it up, maybe. There's another one. It loves this plant, though. Whatever this thing does. This stuff. Goes. That. Dang it. I'm gonna have to spray something, or I don't know what we're gonna have to do. I gotta look it up. Or I'm gonna just cut it back like a little bit more. Cause that's just, it's gonna want to eat every leaf on this plant. Yep. It's a bug that flies around that lays eggs and freaking, just gets in there and gets in all the leaves and stuff. It's a pest problem. We'll see. It'll probably continue though, because it loves this. And there's no way from stopping a bug that likes a plant. So I mean, there's ways, but I gotta figure that out. Dang it. Yeah. Okay. Dang all these waters. Oops. This one too. How'd the peach tree do? It's cute. Alright. I'm gonna go outside. Hey. Okay. Time to go. Oh, look at these cute daffodil. Yes, so pretty. I like this one. I had to come through and cut off the dead flowers. Because I don't want them starting any craziness over here. Alright, cool. That's cool. That's all.